a million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me
nothing. You sit at the house like me unless you are essential. And if you are an essential worker, I thank you so much. So much. I can't begin to imagine. Well, I'm back, you guys. And this time I'm back with some human hair drip. And I haven't done human hair in a while, it seems like. But I'm excited because this human hair is coming from a company that I really like. And that is YGwigs. Now, y'all know that there are like 3 human hair companies that I rock with. And YGwigs is definitely one of those companies. I definitely recommend their hair, and you know I wouldn't lie to you because human hair is expensive. If it was bad, sis, I'll tell you it's bad. You don't believe me? Go watch some videos. Some companies don't like me because I say, what? Your hair bad. YGwigs is not one of those companies. So I'm super excited to see what they sent us. So it came in this little bag that says YGwigs. Let me open it up because to be honest with you, sis, I have no idea. I never remember what it is that these human hair companies are sending. Okay, before we get into the wig, look at all this extra stuff they gave. Okay. They gave me some clips, which I do use those actually when I'm styling a wig. They gave me, oh, look, it's a little ponytail that look like hair. You wrap it around a ponytail or a bun. I ain't got no hair though, I'm bald. Okay, maybe I do my eyebrows. Okay, no. Okay, they gave me an edge brush, which you can never have enough of those. They have given me some wig caps as well. So thank you, YGwigs. Let's look at this wig though. The wig that they sent, I'm just reading right here off the sticker. It says that it's a 13x6 lace front wig. It's 12 inches long. It's a Pixie. It's 150% density and it's color 1B27. Y'all know I live for a Pixie. To be honest with you, even though I review like a bunch of different type of hair on here, my favorite hair is short hair, if you can't tell. That's why your girl is bald. I love short hair. I love not having a fuss with hair. So let's hope that this one, it hits. All right. I'm just taking out the paper, okay? Y'all look at the Pixie. And we've done Pixies like this. We've actually done a Pixie like this by YGwigs. But the difference is, look at that color. I hope that's picking up on camera. You see the pops of 27 in it? Ooh. Okay, let's look at the cap construction. In the front, you get 3 combs. You get one here to the right, one to the left, and one up there on the crown. And there's that 13x6 parting space that you get. And then in the back, you have a comb with adjustable straps and another piece of lace, okay? The cards just say everything that I just told you, okay, sis? So the card's still on there. And there's that lace up close. Okay, somebody asked me, why do I show you the wig with the lace still on? Because, sis, when you get this wig, you're going to customize it how you want. So let me put it on without oh yeah, this going to hit, y'all. When I wet this Joan, it's going to hit. Let me show you how it looks up close. Okay. Sorry, that's my neighbors driving by. And look at that 1B27. Look at that color. Yeah, this gonna hit. What I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna fast forward through the footage so I don't hold you up, because I know y'all got stuff to do. What I'm going to do is cut off the lace, and then I'm gonna show this wig to you dry, and then I'm going to wet it. You're gonna see me spraying something on it. This is nothing but water, okay? To give it a relaxed type of feel, okay? So let me go cut off these tags and this lace, and I'll be right back, boo. pluck anything. I didn't do anything. I got some powder and I ran it up that part. And that's what it's looking like. Okay. Really, really, really good. Ooh, that highlighter popping. Really beautiful hair. And this is it dry. Okay. What I now want to do is spray some water on it just to see what it does. And you guys know I love to do that with human hair to see what it will look like. Now, y'all know this is just water, nothing else. Just some water. See if it gives us that. Yeah, it's going to be cute wet too. And like I said, remember, this is just water. Oh, yeah. There it is wet. How cute is that, y'all? This looks like I have bomb natural hair that I got cut. And I love it. Wet or dry, this hair hits. But that's every wig that we get from YG Wigs. And y'all know that this is a transparent channel. If it was bad, I swear I would tell you because human hair tends to be more expensive. But y'all, this is a definite winner. If, you know, we get a summer, we can go out. This is a must-have for summer, okay? Throwing a little sundress with this, a off-the-shoulder top like this with some shorts. Honey, you winning. I love this hair. Thank you so much, YG Wigs, for sending it over. What I do like is that pop of color in there. Look at that 27. That's cute. Let me show, did I show y'all a 360? Let me show it to you wet 360. Straight on. To the left. To the right. And that's the back. The back feels like it's laying really, really flat. I hope you can see that. Feels like it's laying really, really flat against my little bald head. Okay. So do I recommend this wig? Yes. And that's like every wig we get from YG Wigs. I hands down definitely recommend this wig. This wig is bomb.com. This wig is beginner friendly because like I tell you guys, I'm a beginner. If you don't want to wear it in your face, you can push it out your faces and that's a look too. Definitely recommend. Thank you so much, YG Wigs. Like I always tell y'all, maybe y'all not even into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Yvonne. This is like some Yvonne will wear, don't it? Maybe it's your second cousin Eustace, and he want to wear wigs too. He got a little dude kid in the set already, okay? So nobody really ain't gonna notice the difference. Let Eustace or Yvonne put on this wig. Me and YG Wigs gonna get them right. Y'all, thank you so much for the support that you have shown my channel. I love y'all so much. In the comments, tell me some human hair styles that you would like to see. Straight, curly, bangs. What y'all want to see? Pixies, long. What y'all want to see? Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.